So today we're going to do a long tail cast on, and we call it long tail because we are going to measure a tail that we are going to use for casting on. It's a long tail. So at least take 6 inches of your yarn and let it hang from your needle. Then, to find out how long your long tail should be, I like to wrap my yarn around my needle the number of times for the number of stitches I'll be casting on. 20 times around for 20 stitches, 40 times around for 40 stitches, 100 times around for 100 stitches. Don't pull too tightly. Once you get there, we're pulling our needle out. And you pull your needle out and you have the length of tail for your long tail cast on. Once you get to this point, you want to make a slip knot. Take your tail, cross it over the yarn that's coming from your skein. Then bring it up through the loop, and pull. And that's your slip knot. So now that we have our slip knot, we're going to take our needle and put it into the slip knot and just pull the yarn so that it snugs up on the needle. We're going to take the yarn that's coming from the skein to the back and the long tail to the front. Then we're going to take the yarn from the skein and pull it from behind our pinky finger, and we're going to bring it in front of our next 2 fingers and behind the index finger and stop right there. Then take your thumb, put it under your tail yarn, grabbing the tail with your other 3 fingers and making a slingshot. Now we'll start actually casting on by taking our needle and going under the outer thread of our thumb. See, it's coming here from the outside under. We go over the thread on the inside of the index finger. Cap the needle with your thumb, letting the loop fall off. And then take your thumb and pull the long tail gently that way, making it slightly snug. So we'll do that again. We'll go under, over, cap it, letting that loop fall off, and then pull with your thumb. You don't want to pull too tightly because it'll make your first row of stitches very difficult to knit. Let's do it again. Under, over, cap the needle with your thumb, and pull. And again, under, over, cap it, pull. If at any time you feel like your hands are cramping or you have too much yarn and it's hard, let go of your yarn and just reset. Yarn from behind the pinky, in front of those 2 fingers, behind your index finger, take your thumb under your tail and make your slingshot, and then just continue. Under, over, cap it, pull. And if you actually say those words as you do it, it becomes a little mantra and you can pick up a lot of speed. Under, over, cap it, pull. Under, over, cap it, pull. Under, over, cap it, pull. And you'll see, if you look closely, we don't have any big loops between our stitches. We have a smooth side and we have a bumpy side to our cast on. And that's your long tail cast on.